Welcome to Odisha Post Live. You are watching News Roundup of the day. Here are today's top stories. 2 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in the state capital. This information was given by the Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation in a tweet on Friday. With the fresh detections and recoveries, the city's COVID-19 tally now stands at 103. The number of active patients currently stands at 40, while 59 have been discharged from the COVID-19 hospitals after they tested negative for the pandemic. 4 institutions of Odisha have found a place in the list of India's top 100 educational institutions for the year 2020. They are the National Institute of Technology, Rourkela, SOA University, IIT Bhubaneswar and KIIT. The list was released on Thursday by Ministry of Human Resources Development under the National Institution Ranking Framework. The Supreme Court took serious note of non-payment of salaries and lack of accommodation to doctors fighting against COVID-19. The court should not be involved in the issue of non-payment of salary to healthcare workers. The government should settle the issue, it said. The top court was hearing a plea by a doctor. He alleged that the frontline healthcare workers engaged in fight against COVID-19 are not being paid salaries. At times, salaries are also being cut or delayed. The doctor also questioned the centre's new SOP making their 14-day quarantine non-mandatory. A local was killed and 2 others injured on Friday in alleged firing by Nepal police personnel. The incident took place along the India-Nepal border in Bihar's Sitamarhi district, officials said. For the first time since the COVID-19 outbreak, India recorded over 10,000 new cases in a day, taking the tally to 2,97,535, while the death toll rose to 8,498 with a record single-day spike of 396 fatalities, according to the Union Health Ministry data. Researchers in the United States are looking at the possibility of using tuberculosis and polio vaccines in providing protection from the deadly coronavirus, according to a media report. Tests are underway to see if tuberculosis vaccine can slow the novel coronavirus, the Washington Post reported on Thursday. That's all for today's bulletin. You were watching Odisha Post Live. For more such updates, stay tuned to our channel.